Bodywork for PTSD is a continuing education workshop that is engineered for the massage therapist who wants to be able to help their patients who are dealing with stress and trauma in their life. My name is Matthew Howe. I have been a licensed massage therapist for 25 years and a massage therapy educator for 22 years. What brings me to this work and what made me create this kind of work was the passion and commitment to helping humans human better and helping people who oftentimes didn't know how to help themselves. What is the difference between stress and traumatic stress? And what does that mean to the person on the table? We talk about what types of touch, what levels of touch is appropriate for dealing with someone who is struggling. Bodywork for PTSD keeps things really, really simple. We teach techniques, but it's not a modality. It's not protocol-based. This is about giving you real-world critical thinking skills so that you can adapt on the fly and help those people that are struggling with trauma in their lives in a way that is scope of practice centric. We talk about autonomic flexibility. We talk about what the nervous system is trying to say to us. Bodywork for PTSD is trauma informed and it's patient centered. We don't need to deal with the story. We don't need the story to be able to help people. Because we learn to listen to what the body's trying to tell us. Whether you work in a spa, whether you work for a chiropractor, private practice, the tools and techniques that you learn in this class are going to be applicable for all of those situations. Bodywork for PTSD will teach you how to work with someone who is possibly in the middle of releasing emotions, but we don't go chasing it. If it comes up, we teach you the skills how to deal with it. You're going to learn how to create an environment in your treatment room that is welcoming, that is safe, that is stable, so that the environment your clients walk into is already communicating with their nervous system. You're going to learn what the DSM-5 says PTSD is, and we're going to highlight where our superpowers come in those criteria. And we're going to talk about what being trauma-informed means to a massage therapy practice. You're going to learn hands-on techniques that work locally if an area is triggered or somebody's very sensitive in that area. You're going to learn effective ways to treat that area from further away as to not be invasive. You're going to learn how to mechanically turn down the volume on their nervous system. You're going to learn hands-on techniques that release the neck, that release the head, that treat the low back. You're going to learn how to conduct massage therapy sessions fully clothed. So why would somebody want to take Bodywork for PTSD? Because they want to get better at treating and understanding stress, which is the number one reason that people come and get massage. So I can help you help them. Who are the ideal individuals for this type of treatment? The work that is taught in this class works for everybody. So anybody who's alive and is dealing with stress is going to benefit from this level of work. Bodywork for PTSD is different than most workshops because we're going to stay clothed the entire time. It's not modality driven, it's critical thinking driven. It's understanding how the nervous system works. It's a very heavy topic because we're talking about post-traumatic stress disorder, which means people who've been through some pretty heavy duty stuff in order to land with that diagnosis. So we need to make sure that we can be the professionals in the room, regardless of who's on our table. We're going to focus on their self-healing capabilities and empower them to step into the sunshine that is their body's recovery system. As a massage therapist, we put wear and tear on our body. Learning how to do the techniques and learning information in Bodywork for PTSD, it takes some of the wear and tear off of our bodies so that we can extend our career. Bodywork for PTSD isn't about becoming a trauma therapist. It's about becoming a more skilled, ethical, and effective body worker, especially when things get complicated. Why should you take Bodywork for PTSD in Costa Rica? I think the better question is, why shouldn't you? It's an amazing class. It's a powerful class. Despite the title and the topic, it's a pretty fun class. And you get to be in Costa Rica. I mean, it's a tax-deductible trip to paradise. So if you've been thinking about taking a class in Costa Rica, then you're waiting for a sign, here's your sign. Come take Bodywork for PTSD at the Costa Rica School of Massage Therapy. You'll be glad you did.